Okay, good morning.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Judge.
Mr. Brown, I'm Judge Walland, over here in Anaconda. Okay, this is a warrant, an out of jurisdiction warrant. It says it's hereby ordered that the defendant be committed to Anaconda. Is he going to stay over in Butte
Yes, Your Honor.
jail?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, to Butte Silverboat Detention Center, and that the defendant be admitted to bail by cash or surety in the amount of $2 million. If you should make that bond, you have to appear in front of Judge Jeffrey DeHood in the Anaconda District Court within 10 days of release. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be held against you. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one, one may be appointed to represent you. And it looks like you do have the public defenders there with you at this time.
Yes, Your Honor, we'll need an appointment form. I came up and met with Mr. Brown on Saturday, but we haven't gotten an appointment form yet on this, so he does want a public defender, though.
Oh, okay, I see. We'll make sure he gets a public defender packet and get that filled out.
I've got him one of the applications right now here in front of him. So if the court could just send the appointment form to our office, I'll make sure he gets this filled out.
Okay, will do. All right, so Mr. Brown, in case you should make bond, you got to follow the following conditions. It is further ordered that the defendant must personally appear each and every time for all appearances and obey all laws. If defendant fails to appear for trial, any appearance bond posted will be forfeited. The trial may proceed in defendant's absence, and a warrant may be issued. The defendant may not leave the state of Montana without receiving written permission from the court. The defendant shall maintain employment, or if unemployed, shall actively seek employment. The defendant shall maintain contact with his attorney on at least a weekly basis, and within 30 days of each trial date set in this matter shall maintain contact with his attorney at least twice per week. The defendant shall maintain sufficient contact with his attorney so the attorney can timely advise the court or its personnel of the status of the case for trial. As that disclosure involves the client's right to confidentiality, the defendant is hereby so advised. To the extent this limited disclosure is considered an attorney-client confidence protected by the attorney-client privilege, by signing this release order, the defendant waives his right to confidentiality with regard to this limited disclosure. The defendant should not change place of address, telephone number, or place of employment without immediate notification to the court and to the defense attorney. The defendant should not be involved in any criminal activities nor be convicted of any criminal offense pending disposition of this case. The defendant shall avoid any and all contact with the alleged victims of the crimes and their families. The defendant may not go into bars or taverns or other businesses where alcoholic beverages are the chief item of sale. And the defendant is hereby advised that violation of any of the terms of this release order may result in the release being revoked and the defendant being incarcerated pending trial or sentencing or a higher bond being imposed. Okay, are there any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Nothing from the state, Judge.
Okay, thank you. Okay,
Thank you.
court's adjourned.
Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.
Thanks, Judge.
Can we sit here and get this filled out with him so we can get it over there?